Assembly language tutorial part 4 submodule 3. This is like towards the end of data transfer. We are reaching out. We covered hell lot of things, like we covered arrays, how to use them. Now we will cover loops. Now the loop comes in two flavors in assembly. In other programming languages we have while loop, we have for loop. When do we use while loop and when do we use for loop? It's quite simple. When we know the number of times we are going to iterate something, we use for loop, even though that can be done in while loop, but that's a hacky way. The ideal way is to use for loop. When we do not know the number of times it's going to operate, but we are looking for a condition to meet, we use while loop. Makes the code cleaner. Otherwise you could use either of them. So this guy over here is a while loop. This is a jump instruction which based the now JMP instruction is an unconditional jump. It would jump into whatever address that you give anywhere. So we have something called conditional jumps as well, which we will cover later. Here's the syntax: jump destination. This is an offset, could jump it anywhere. Now this guy is actually the for loop. So ECX register, it's an interesting one. It is used as internal loop counter. So we'll see a demo on that. I hope you are getting familiar with all these assembly code, so I can directly jump into the demo. As always, clear out EX, ECX, clear out everything. So let's set a breakpoint over here. Now ECX has to be given a value. How many times it's going to be repeated? It's a for loop, right? It's a for loop. So we are incrementing EX every time. Let's set a breakpoint. We have a breakpoint. Yep, we want to build it. Loading the symbols. Done. EX is cleared. ECX is 0A, 0A in hex, in decimal it's 10. So it will repeat 10 times as we have set over here. Let's run that. EX is 1. One more. EX is 2. One more. EX is 3. 6, 7, 9. EX is 10. And the loop counter, the instruction pointer, goes to the next instruction. So that covers the fundamentals of loop, even though we didn't see much example on jump instruction, and we'll cover that in the next videos. So have a good day. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, like the video, so put a thumbs up there and subscribe so that next coming videos you can have them. And thank you for your time again. Bye bye.